All right, guys, we got 3 locks left on the dude's inner treasure chest. We got these 2, but we're going counterclockwise, which brings us to what is probably the highest quality lock on this whole inner box. And that would be this master lock. And I know that's scary to a lot of us, me included, using the words high quality and master lock in the same sentence. But in this case, it's absolutely true. This is their Pro Series, and this one happens to be, I think it's a 7050. The number doesn't matter. All the Pro Series contain all of the benefits. I'm trying to figure out how to orient this. All of the benefits from the acquisition of American Padlock Company. So the cores inside of here are almost, but not quite identical. There's some dimensional differences. The actuator's different, but the pins in these Pro Series are the same as what you would find in the American Padlock. So that means serrated spools, and regular spools. This is really not a good fit. And this is really, man, I wish my hands were like huge to go around this box to hold on to everything. I'm going to have to, or very tiny just to go around the lock. Dude did not do us any favors here. I'm going to have to hold it precarious. This is rounded and this is square, so that's not going to be real stable, but I'm going to try to hold it with one finger like that. Hopefully that'll be adequate. And if I had my choice on hands, it would be hands with long, slender fingers so I could play the guitar better. Reach those frets. Okay, here we go. Light tension. Okay, that was pin 1, and I have a falset going. That was pin 2. Wait a minute. I'm counting 6 in here. Okay, I got a little click, so I have a little deeper falset. I think that was a serrated. Little counter rotation right there. I'll take it. More. That was pin 4. Okay, I just touched pin 2 again. I got a little deeper falset. There's 3, counter rotation. So here's a spool. All right. Oh, there we go. I thought I lost the falset there for a second, but we got it back. Feels like 4, counter rotation. Very deep falset. I believe that's counter rotation there on 4 again. There we go. Where are you? There we go. Pin 3. Lost the falset with 3. Here we go, got it back. And I think it's pin 2, counter rotation. All right, what's going on here? Master lock's not supposed to be this tough. Oh, that's light tension. I don't think I lost anything. I twisted my pick. This pin 2. I'm going to get a thicker pick so I don't break that 15,000. This is the same pick, but 25 thousandths. All right, I'm going to have to release tension on the core to get this guy. Which means we probably lost some other ones. Okay, I have a fault setback. Okay, that was pin 5. That was pin 6. That was pin 4. I think 1 is good. Goodness gracious. That was 4 again. 2 again. Think about writing a song. Wow. Very deep fault set, guys. I don't know what to tell you. I mean, every time I pick one, 2 more fall down. There we go. 5 again. And there we go. Woo, man, I'm telling you. That took a heck of a lot longer than I thought it was going to. That is impressive for a master lock. If you have to buy a master lock, you got no choice. I would say this is probably the one to go for. Anyway, guys, there you go. The Master Lock Pro Series 7050. Now we got 2 more to go on this treasure box from the Lock Picking Lebowski. Thanks, guys.